During the detection cycle, we conduct the tasks that support vulnerabilities in essential ways by defining the who, what, where, why, and how. The principal activities are focused on defining and refining the scope after each round of the tricycle, getting tools ready, and verifying their integrity, conducting tests, and verifying results. Meaningful metrics that would become the cornerstone of vulnerability management reports. This should be followed by assigning work for remediation. The reporting cycle targets activities that help an organization address vulnerability in a measurable way. The principal activities are focused on learning, categorizing, and creating organizational The remediation cycle targets activities that should reduce or eliminate vulnerabilities or provide evidence as to why a particular vulnerability is believed not to be a threat. Key activities are focused on defining priorities and terms of remediation work, discussing and documenting false positives, and dealing with exceptions.